NXP supports the fourth industrial revolution transition by enabling the shift towards distributed autonomous systems that bring more agility to manufacturing processes. Increased automation, flexible production and manufacturing, self-diagnosing equipment. These are all some of the goals for Industry 4.0. In order to accomplish these goals, manufacturers must gather much more data from their industrial automation systems. Time-sensitive networking, or TSN, and Open Platform Communications Unified Architecture support greater bandwidth for this data and provide a standard communication layer for interoperability while enabling gateways to serve brownfield networks with legacy fieldbus networks. TSN Ethernet ensures that time-critical operational technology traffic maintains the service quality that it needs, while the network simultaneously transports the high-bandwidth information technology traffic that is required to unlock the potential of Industry 4.0. Including security capabilities such as those outlined by the IEC 62443 standard ensures that industrial networks provide the benefits of the industrial IoT without adding additional security threats. NXP's broad microcontroller and microprocessor portfolio enables machine learning implementation and predictive maintenance mechanisms. Our portfolio powers this new era of secure industrial controls, and by leveraging NXP's connectivity capabilities, it brings connected intelligence to every edge of the factory, from breakers, drives, and remote I/Os to the largest PLCs. Powerful graphics processing units embedded in our devices deliver essential capabilities to develop human-machine interface panels and machine vision systems that allow operators and other machines to interact smoothly and safely with their environment and the entire production line. Finally, motor control is the cornerstone of any industrial endeavor for improved productivity within a safe environment. From high-performance analog technology to motor control embedded processing, NXP provides a comprehensive portfolio to shorten the development for drive and motion-controlled applications. From actuators and AC drives to high-performance servos and industrial robotics, NXP supports state-of-the-art design solutions. To learn more about NXP factory automation products, visit us at nxp.com/factoryautomation and get access to detailed content. Between our live demos, the deep dive on-demand technical trainings for our broad solutions, and the white paper, you'll build a complete understanding of NXP solutions for factory automation.